patriotic red, white and blue smoke trailing behind. As they pull up, Red 1 switches them into short diamonds as they apex the move at over 5,500 feet. Aircraft about to twist around to the right. Red 1 leading the formation is squadron leader Martin Pert. Martin is a former Harrier and Typhoon pilot. He's previously instructed on the Hawk, and he returns to the Red Arrows in his first year as the team leader. As short diamond moves off to our right-hand side, Red 1 is about to change formation into the first of our RAF aircraft shapes. Currently deployed on operations in the Middle East and protecting the skies of Great Britain 24 hours a day, it is of course Typhoon. Red 1 bringing Typhoon in from the right, he's about to pull up, the smoke will come on, ready for the Typhoon roll. Upside down at 2,500 feet goes Typhoon, that distinctive shape against the overcast sky here in Bournemouth. On the right of Red 1 is Red 2, Flight Lieutenant John Bond. John is a former Tucano instructor and display pilot. He joins the team from the Typhoon Force and is in his first year as a Red Arrows pilot. Red 1 using his very metronomic voice commands, the pilots reacting to his voice and the tempo rather than what they're seeing his aircraft do, and that keeps the manoeuvres very symmetrical and keeps those straight lines. Well, the smoke has come back on. They're about to transition to the second of our aircraft formations. This represents the aircraft recently arrived at RAF Marham. It's our 5th generation stealth aircraft, capable of simultaneous air-to-air, air-to-ground and electronic warfare missions. It is, of course, Lightning. And pulling up calls Red 1 as Lightning pulls to the vertical. Red 1 about to loop the formation before twisting it round to the left in front of us. On the right wingtip in Lightning is Red 4, Flight Lieutenant Chris Smith. Chris is a former Tornado GR4 pilot, Hawk instructor, and he returns to the Red Arrows in his 2nd year. This is Lightning. As Lightning moves off to our right-hand side, I've had a couple of requests from the crowd today to say happy birthday to Mike Lucas and to Jade Wiley. As Lightning moves off to our right, the smoke is back on. Reds 8 and 9 joining the outside of the formation. Reds 6 and 7 tucking in behind in the very technically difficult formation of Phoenix. On the left of Red 1 in Phoenix is Red 3, Squadron Leader Mike Ring. Mike has asked me to say hello to most of the audience today, and that's Nicola, Isla, Tom, Becky, Trevor, Bethan, Finn, Noah, and Amelie. I think I got them all in. The smoke is about to come on for the Phoenix Pass. Phoenix moves away, the smoke about to come off. Red 1 about to change to our is seen on our flying suits on our crests of both the reds and the blues, underlined by our motto, Éclat, meaning excellence. And excellence is something that everyone in the Red Arrows strives for, both in the air and on the ground. That formation shape is, of course, diamond. The wings of Phoenix sweeping back, 8 and 9 tucking in as the smoke comes off. Nose lights come towards us, red one about to pull the formation up. The smoke will come back on, ready for the diamond roll. As diamond goes upside down at 2,500 feet, our distinctive diamond shape against the sky with that glorious hawk landform visible. On the left wing of diamond is red 5, right turn down lows. That is a former Typhoon pilot and Rabbit instructor, and he would like to say hello to Mum, Dad, Aidan, Jules, Mark, Anna and Dave. Diamond comes back round to the left. It's time for one of the most popular manoeuvres of the display. It's certainly my favourite. Reds 8 and 9 are about to join the back of the formation. This one representing the combat aircraft, having served for 3 decades on the front line, about to retire from service. It is, of course, Tornado. We see some amazing pictures of Tornado on social media, so get those cameras ready. Red 1 is about to call the smoke on. He'll call 8 and 9 to roll go. Red 9 will be as enthusiastic forever, and today he's going to give a special roar for Jess as we start Tornado. Aboard roars Red 9 as 8 and 9 put the coloured smoke on, rolling around the rest of the formation. Red 1 about to bank around to the left with a colour change. This is Tornado. Red 9, the end of Tornado, meaning we're almost at the end of our first half of the display. So far we've seen all 9 aircraft in graceful formation shapes across the sky. Well, it's time to step up the gear. It's time to up the tempo as we enter the second half. Red 1 about to break the formation down into 2 sections, nicknamed Enid and Jippo. Enid, the front 5 aircraft named after Enid Blyton's famous 5, and we had an Enid in the audience today who may well be back to see us again. The rear section nicknamed Jippo, the back 4 aircraft, and that's named after the surname of the first leader of the back section. Well, Red 1 has called the aircraft into Phoenix formation, which I'm delighted to say means he's starting the second half full. As the jets roll out towards us, this manoeuvre is to mark the centenary of the Royal Air Force. It's time for the centenary split. And pulling up calls Red 1, 7 aircraft pulling to the vertical, the synchro pair staying low in the centenary split. left trailing smoke is Red 6, Flight Lieutenant Ty Taylor. Ty is the former Tornado and Typhoon pilot in his third and final year on the team. He would like to say hello to Michelle and Eric. Chasing Red 6 on the left is Red 8, on the right with Red 7 is Red 9. They have a closing speed of over 700 miles an hour, descending to 100 feet, ready for the spectacular Gippo Pass.